Hey, my beautiful people, it's your girl again. And today I want to talk about something very deep, something that touches so many hearts: a cheating partner. Yes, that one topic we avoid but secretly live through. Let's be real. Nothing cuts deeper than betrayal from the one person you trusted with your soul. That kind of pain doesn't just hit your heart, it shakes your spirit. Because when someone cheats on you, it's not only their body that strays, it's their character, their loyalty, and their fear of God that leave too. Some people think they are smart, hiding their phones from their spouses, deleting messages, changing names in their contacts, lying about where they are. But let me tell you the truth. You can hide from people, but you can't hide from God. You can fool the world, but you can't fool the one who sees even what's whispered in the dark. Proverbs 15 verse 3 reminds us, the eyes of the Lord are everywhere, keeping watch on the evil and the good. That means no matter how deep your secrets are buried, God already knows. He sees the tears of the faithful partner and the guilt of the unfaithful one. He sees the pain behind the smiles and the confusion of those trying to understand why love turned into lies. When a partner cheats, they don't just break trust, they break something sacred. Because true love is not just about attraction, it's about commitment. It's about honoring your word even when temptation knocks. But today, too many people want loyalty while giving betrayal. They want to be treated like kings and queens while behaving like clowns. They want faithful love but live double lives. A cheating partner forgets that sin always feels good for a moment until the guilt settles in. You start lying more to protect your lies. You lose peace, you lose sleep, and worst of all, you lose yourself. You begin to fear the very person who loves you, not because they will hurt you, but because they will see you through you. And that's how sin traps you. It makes you hide from the truth. Now, if you are the one being cheated on, please listen. You are not broken. You were just loyal to the wrong person. You are not hard to love. They just didn't know how to love deeply. I bet you. Stop blaming yourself for their weakness. Stop replaying moments trying to find what you did wrong. You did nothing wrong. They did. Don't beg someone to choose you when they've already chosen disrespect. Don't chase someone who keeps running back to the very thing that's killing your peace. Sometimes God lets people betray you not to break you, but to free you. Because some relationships are prisons dressed up as love stories. Luke 8 verse 17 says, "For nothing is hidden that will not be made manifest, nor is anything secret that will not be known and come to light." That's not a threat. It is a promise. Eventually, every hidden, what I'm trying to say that every hidden affair, every lie, every deceit will come to light. The truth might take its time, but it always shows up. You don't need to search through phones, break into accounts, or lose your sanity. Just pray, stay still, and let God expose what you need to see. And if you are the one cheating, this is your wake-up call. You might think you are in control, but the devil loves when you believe that. Because every lie you tell, every secret you keep, change your soul a little tighter. You become a prisoner of your own deceit. And trust me, there is no peace in living double lives. That pleasure you chase in secret is destroying your destiny in silence. You can lie to your partner, but not to your conscience. You can erase chats, but not guilt. You can hide names, but not shame. Stop now. Don't wait until you lose everything, because you will. Definitely you will. I bet you. But here's the beauty of grace. God can still forgive you. No matter how bad it looks, it is not too late to turn back. And all he asks is honesty and repentance. Proverbs 28 verse 13 says, whoever conceals their sins does not prosper, but whoever confesses and renounces them finds mercy. This is so beautiful. That means you can't heal from what you keep hiding. Confess it, stop it, and start rebuilding what you broke if your partner's heart still allows it. If not, take the lesson and let God will rebuild you. Because sometimes forgiveness doesn't mean going back. It means moving forward without hate. God forgives, but consequences remain. The sooner you change, the more peace you can reclaim. And to those staying faithful, your love, patience, and integrity are not wasted. God sees you. You may feel invisible, but heaven takes note. And when God restores, he restores bigger. You might lose someone unfaithful, but you gain peace, clarity, and one day, real love. The kind that doesn't need secrets to survive. Remember this, a cheating partner can hide their phone, delete every message, and act like nothing happened. But they can't erase their actions from God's sight. Because what's done in darkness will always find its way to the light. Guys, if this message touched your heart today, don't just keep it. Share it to someone out there, and someone who is going through a difficult time silently. And they need to hear that truth still exists and that healing is possible. Follow me, Wendy, on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram for more real talk, healing words, and motivational messages straight from the heart. Let's grow together, heal together, and remind the world